Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about derivation, meaning, definition, short history, types and elements of drama. So let's start with derivation of word drama. The word drama originates from the Greek word dran, meaning to do or to act. It means a genre of literature intended for performance, typically involving dialogue and conflict between characters. Let's explore definition of drama. Drama is a genre of literature primarily intended for performance that tells a story through the actions and dialogue of characters. It often explores human emotions, conflicts, and relationships, aiming to engage and evoke emotional responses from an audience. In simple terms, a written work that tells a story through action and speech and is meant to be acted on a stage is called drama. Now let's take a look at short history of drama. Drama has roots in ancient Greece, where playwrights like Aeschylus and Sophocles introduced tragedy and comedy in the 5th century BCE. During the Renaissance, Shakespeare's works flourished in England. The 17th century saw the rise of French neoclassical drama. In the 19th century, realism gained prominence with playwrights like Ibsen. The 20th century witnessed diverse movements, from absurdism to social realism. Television and film expanded the dramatic landscape. Today, drama encompasses a wide range of styles and themes, reflecting the evolving human experience across cultures and times. Now, we will discuss types of drama. Number 1. Tragedy. A tragedy is a type of drama that portrays the downfall of a protagonist, often due to a fatal flaw or external circumstances. It evokes feelings of pity and fear in the audience. Famous examples include Shakespeare's Macbeth, where ambition leads to ruin, and Sophocles' Oedipus Rex, where a tragic prophecy unfolds. These stories typically explore the complexities of human nature, emphasizing the consequences of choices and the inevitability of suffering in the face of fate or personal flaws. Number 2. Comedy. A type of drama that aims to entertain and amuse audience through humor, exaggerated characters, witty dialogue, and absurd situations is called comedy. It aims to provoke laughter and uplift the audience. Famous examples include Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, a whimsical play filled with mistaken identities, and the classic sitcom Friends, known for its humorous depiction of friendship and everyday situations. Comedy often explores the lighter side of life, providing a welcome break from seriousness, and its success lies in evoking genuine joy and amusement in its audience. Number 3. Tragicomedy. A tragicomedy is a type of drama that blends tragic and comedic elements, creating a work that evokes both sorrow and laughter. This genre often explores serious themes with a light-hearted touch, or injects humor into situations that are typically somber. Famous examples include William Shakespeare's The Tempest, where moments of tragedy coexist with comedic elements, and Tom Stoppard's Rosencrantz and Guildenstern Are Dead, which reimagines characters from Hamlet in a witty and existential manner, showcasing the juxtaposition of tragedy and comedy within the same narrative. Number 4. Historical play. A historical play is a type of drama that portrays events from the past, blending fiction with real historical elements. These plays aim to entertain while shedding light on significant moments in history. Famous examples include William Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, which explores political intrigue in ancient Rome, and Arthur Miller's The Crucible, depicting the Salem witch trials. Through characters and plot, historical plays provide a window into different eras, offering both entertainment and insight into the complexities of bygone times. Number 5. Problem play. A problem play is a type of drama that explores social or moral issues, often without offering clear resolutions. These plays aim to provoke thought and discussion about challenging topics. A famous example is Henrik Ibsen's A Doll's House, which addresses gender roles and societal expectations. Another is George Bernard Shaw's Mrs. Warren's Profession, tackling the complexities of morality and economic disparity. Problem plays present dilemmas without easy answers, encouraging audiences to reflect on the complexities of human behavior and society. Number 6. Realistic drama. A type of drama that portrays everyday life with a focus on realistic characters and situations. Realistic drama aims to mirror reality. It often explores ordinary people facing common challenges, showcasing genuine emotions and dialogue. Famous examples include Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, which delves into family dynamics and the American dream. These plays emphasize relatability and authenticity, offering a mirror to society's complexities through the lens of recognizable human experiences. Number 7. Poetic drama. A type of drama that combines poetic language with theatrical elements through heightened language, meter, and vivid imagery is called poetic drama. Unlike conventional plays, it places a strong emphasis on lyrical expression, evoking emotions through words. Famous examples include William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, where poetic dialogue intensifies the emotional depth, and T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral, which blends verse with dramatic storytelling. In poetic drama, the power of language intertwines with theatricality, creating a unique and evocative experience for the audience. Number 8. Epic theatre. Epic theatre is a type of drama that aims to provoke critical thinking and social awareness by distancing the audience from emotional involvement. It was developed by playwright Bertolt Brecht, and it employs techniques like breaking the fourth wall, narration, and disjointed scenes. Famous examples include Brecht's Mother Courage and Her Children, where characters address the audience, disrupting traditional emotional connections, fostering analytical observation of societal issues rather than emotional identification with characters. This theatrical approach seeks to engage audiences intellectually, encouraging reflection on broader social and political themes. Number 9. Absurd drama. Absurd drama, or theatre of absurd, is a type of drama that violates traditional logic by challenging conventional storytelling and often portrays a sense of meaningless existence. It was emerged in the mid-20th century. In this play, characters grapple with the absurdity of life, facing situations devoid of clear purpose or rationality. Famous examples include Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot, where characters wait endlessly for someone who never arrives, and Eugene Ionesco's The Bald Soprano, highlighting the absurdity of everyday communication. Absurd drama aims to provoke thought by exploring the irrational and chaotic aspects of human existence in a humorous or disconcerting manner. Number 10. Melodrama. A melodrama is a type of drama that emphasizes heightened emotions, exaggerated characters, and a clear distinction between good and evil. It often relies on music to intensify emotions and includes sensational and suspenseful plot twists. Famous examples include The Perils of Pauline, a silent film serial featuring a damsel in distress, and soap operas like Days of Our Lives, known for their dramatic and emotionally charged storylines. Melodramas aim to evoke strong emotional responses from the audience through sensational storytelling and vivid character portrayals. Now let's take a look at the elements of drama. First one is plot. The plot is the structured sequence of events that constitute the narrative in a play. It encompasses the exposition, where key information is introduced, followed by rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution, creating a cohesive and engaging storyline that captivates the audience. Second element of drama is characters. Characters are the individuals who populate the play, each possessing unique traits, motivations, and relationships. They drive the plot forward through their actions and interactions, breathing life into the narrative and providing a human dimension to the unfolding drama. Number 3 is thought. Thought refers to the underlying ideas, themes, and philosophical concepts explored in a play. It represents the intellectual depth of the drama, delving into broader meanings, moral dilemmas, and thought-provoking messages that enrich the audience's understanding and engagement with the performance. Number 4. Setting. The setting establishes the time and place in which the events of the play occur. It creates the backdrop against which the characters interact, influencing the atmosphere, mood, and contextual elements that shape the overall experience for both the performers and the audience. Number 5. Diction. Diction involves the careful selection and arrangement of words in the dialogue of a play. It encompasses the style, tone, and language used by characters, influencing the overall linguistic texture of the performance and contributing to the characterization and atmosphere of the drama. Number 6. Music or melody. Music or melody in drama includes both auditory elements, such as sound effects and live music. It serves to enhance emotional impact, underscore key moments, and contribute to the overall sensory experience. Music adds depth and resonance to the narrative, elevating the audience's engagement with the unfolding events. Number 7. Spectacle. Spectacle encompasses the visual elements of a performance, including costumes, lighting, and stage design. It contributes to the overall aesthetic and immersive experience, creating a visually compelling and captivating environment for the audience. Spectacle enhances the storytelling by appealing to the senses and reinforcing the thematic elements of the play. So that was our today's topic. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any question you can ask in the comments. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until next time, happy reading!